Okay, this is my second take because I was not in frame at all, and I'm going to try to do this one-handed. Okay, this is my nature journal. And I hope you can see it all. And on the front cover, I have done a machine embroidery mushroom. And I have frayed it, and then coffee dyed it. And then behind that is just hessian. And then a book plate with nature. And when I coffee dyed the printout, the words all smoshed together, so I had to write it. And then I have all trims and stuff, and hessian trims, and I have plaited eyelash trim and some twine, and the I'm not sure what you call it, the vine stuff. And then I turn it over, and as you can see, it is absolutely chock-a-block with trims and lace and stuff. And yeah, and leaves and all sorts of things. Alright, and then I've put some little ring, whatever they're called. so I put the plait through that, and then I can, hopefully you can see the end with lovely material leaves. And then this is the back, in case I didn't explain. More trims, hessian type trims, and the leaf vine stuff, and yeah, another embroidery mushroom with leaves. And then this is the bottom with all the little dangles and things. Can't really see the dangles, but yeah. And then this is the spine. And on the spine I've got some lovely yarn and a key and some bells. And then attached here I have wound twine around this lovely pen that I got. And I have a dragonfly charm and some more bells and eyelash trim and a crystal, a dowsing crystal, so you can do your own readings with that if you wanted to. And of course it's trim, and I've put some material, and then that trim with the gold on top. Okay, and then we open it up, and behind the front cover I've just put a pocket with more eyelash trim, and all throughout the journal I've put my oracle cards, the magical tree oracle cards. It's all throughout there. And I've inked up this paper flower, put butterflies, and that's actual real plant that I've pasted on there, of course, and some more of that eyelash trim. And then we have the first of the printouts, and I will list where I got the printouts, and of course I have coffee dyed that. And it says, remember that every day is the best day of the year. I'm not sure if you can see that. And I've trimmed the page there with some lace. And then we have another pocket. Actually, we've got two pockets. And more of my cards. And then we have writing paper, and we have this lovely bookmark with a butterfly, and I don't know if you can see that, but isn't that pretty? It's pretty. More writing paper, eyelash trim. Oh, I've put a little flower there. And some more space for writing. And an envelope with little goodies inside, and more of my cards, more writing stuff. And then I've put life is like a book that must be read one page at a time. And then I think these are lovely. And a little envelope with a seal, which is just more writing space. And I made this belly band, and I was very impressed with the way it turned out. And more writing paper. I have a card. And I went overboard with the coffee, but it looks really good. It's very grungy. Heaps more writing spaces. And then we have another belly band, which is just lace. And behind that is one of the printables. And I cannot put that paper back in. I can, I'll try. That's caught. Hello, Cree.
He's so hard for now because he's so cute.
Not near me, please. Oh no, come on. There's more writing space. That's my son and my dog playing now. Envelope, more of my cards. I tried it with the tripod, I couldn't get it to work out. We have a belly band and a card, and more writing paper. And I've got more eyelash trim up there. The card. That I went berserk in coffee dyed. Hello, Caesar.
Stinky dog. Stinky. Ah! dog.
No, I'm not too sure about that unicorn.
So
Yes.
I thought he's going to try to lay on the lap, but he was just being silly.
Really?
Yes.
And then more writing paper. Oh, and I had this tied up and then I had to untie it. And this is machine embroidery that I did. And this is just another little mini journal, I guess you could call it. With pockets and ephemera, writing spots, and this tag to write on with more machine embroidery that I've done. Oh, and that has the charms. I'm not sure if you can see the charms. I have bells and a feather and a butterfly.
Why can't I say jingle bells?
Some bells, not jingle bells. And then a little envelope you can open up and have more writing space. More writing paper, more eyelash room, and the wooden butterflies, and my puppy.
Last leg.
And then I guess you could use that as a bit of a tuck spot, like paper. And then this is another embroidery, machine embroidery that I did. And it's just a little flip up, I guess you call it. And more writing paper, more blank space for writing. Lovely images in this printout. The doggy just knocked my camera nearly out of my hand. Hi, Susie. Oh, pardon me. I just like the way the lace and the Hessian lace frames everything. More paper. I love this. I love everything about this. And then this is little tuck spots. You can put anything you like in there. I've got tags and a little writing card. I got this these images a long time ago. Copyright-free vintage images. Yeah, I love that. These come with the kit, the digital kit. Stenciling. I just love the shaded pink, which suits the pictures there. No, I don't want kisses, these are. And a little tuck spot. And a really deep pocket with writing paper. Some more writing paper. And this, I'm very impressed with the way it turned out.
I'm trying to step on that glass ball.
Oh, don't. Oh, and I made this. This is like a flip notebook type thing you could use for writing a list.
Move your paw. He has a wet paw, you know that.
Ah, that's alright. It's not on the journal, thankfully. More of my cards, and those cards. And you need to get Caesar away. A little pocket that flips out. Another little pocket that flips out, more writing space. I love this little picture. I hope my camera's not going in and out of focus. It seems to be. Anyway. Writing spaces. Yeah, writing spaces. And more of that trim, eyelash trim. Well, no, that's not. Oh, I guess it is. And then we have little corner tuck spots here and there. And another deep pockets. And that's on card. And then we have another little embroidery pocket that I done. And more of my cards. And this was a birthday card and I liked it. So I included that. And writing paper that I coffee dyed. And these cards on the back of each one tells you what plant they are too. Lots of writing space. Another embroidery pocket, machine embroidery pocket with my cards and a little writing card. And yeah, I think we're coming to the end. There's more writing spots. The thicker paper that one is. That's the thinner ones. Line paper. I printed out the pattern and then I coffee dyed it and it made it cool. I like it the way it did and it leaked into the back, so that was wonderful. And more writing spots, and yes, we've come to the end. That's a machine embroidery again that I have done, and the eyelash trim, and then we've come to the backyard.